Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Pauline Fu. This video shows some examples about weighted mean from the textbook. This example shows a car manufacturing company assembling line in 4 locations. Some data regarding the car production on these assembling lines for the past week are shown below. So you have production line in Toronto, Montreal, Calgary, Vancouver. Number of cars produced in each location. Average time per car. Question: calculate the overall average production time for these cars. In this kind of question, you need to identify X and identify W. Which one is X? Look at the keyword average. Whatever are after the average, that is your X. So production time is your X. So this is production time. This data is your X. And the number of cars is your W, weight. Okay. Once you identified which one is X, which one is W, you can use calculator to create a list for X and a list for W. We have done this several times. Okay. All right. And this example is the 3 divisions of a medium-sized business. You have division A, division B, division C. Each division has a profit margin, and each division has the sales value. Okay. Question: calculate the overall average profit margin for the 3 divisions. So again, we need to identify which one is X, which one is W. So the number, the word after average is X. Average profit margin. So profit margin is your X. Here you go. You got your X here. And then this sales is your W. Okay. So profit margin is list X. Sales is list W. And you use calculator, right? And this example is a provincial park. There are 3 provincial parks, and you counted number of moose in these parks. Those, and also you measure the area of each park. Okay. Question: calculate overall average number of moose per square kilometer. In this example, you need to use the definition of average. Okay. So definition of the average: total number of moose divided by total number of area, that is the average. Total number of moose, you add all these numbers together, and the total number of area, you add all these numbers together. So this is the average moose per square kilometer. All right. And this one is the mean for grouped data. Mean for grouped data. You have the cost of parking in dollar amount. From $2 and under, you have 20 cars. From $4 and 6, you have 37 cars, etc. Okay. For this kind of questions, you need to figure out the midpoint. What is the midpoint? You take the average of the lower bound 2 with the upper bound 4. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 3. Next one, 4 plus 6 divided by 2, it is 5. Okay, so that is your midpoint in dollar amount. Okay, the average cost of parking. So what is the question here? Estimate the mean amount paid for parking. See, what is the keyword after the mean? Dollar amount. So you use the midpoint, that is the dollar amount. This is your X. Okay, number of cars is your W. Okay, so you have list X, okay, and list W. Punch in the calculator, you should get the result 7.38. The textbook uses F represent W, M represent the cost. Okay, you'll get the same result. This is method 1. Method 2, you can use the percent. And how do you got those percent? So for example, 20 cars, the cost of parking from $2 and under $4. So you use 20 divided by total 109, you get 18.3%. Similarly, use 37 divided by 109, you get 33.9%, etc. Once you get the percentage, you can use method 1 to answer the same question. Estimate the mean amount paid by parking. So you identify X, this is your X, midpoint is the average cost in dollar amount is your X, and this percentage is your W. I strongly encourage you to punch in those as list X, this one as list W, to see if you can come up with 7.38. Okay, that's all for the examples from the textbook. Thanks for watching.